Hi again. We're still in our Inventor series. Just a little bit ago we showed you how to do swept surface, because swept surfaces are really simple and easy to do. Now we're going to show you how to do an, you're going to love this, a lofted surface. Lofted surfaces are cake, but you got to have something to work with. So let's start with the obvious. I'm just going to go in here on my XY plane like always. I'm going to start right down here on the origin, and I'm going to make me a box that is, we'll make it like 3 by 2. Okay, so we got a 3 by 2 box here. Now I'm going to finish that sketch just so I have a surface to work off of. That's the only reason I'm doing this. We're going to go in here now. We're going to extrude this box up. It defaults to 1 inch. What the heck? We'll just leave it at 1 inch for right now for time's sake. I am going to fillet the edges just so you can see what's going to happen in a minute. Just drop a quick fillet on there. Now that's only for work's sake. Now, one of the things you have to do to make a lofted surface is you have to have some working planes, because you have to have sketches at different levels. So I'm going to go in here to my plane tool. I'm going to make an offset plane. And I'm just pick this surface right here, and I'm going to offset from it 1 inch. Okay. Now on that surface, I'm going to go and say I'm going to start a sketch right here on this surface, and then I'm going to just go in here. I'm going to draw a slightly smaller rectangle. Okay. Now I'm actually going to make it off center. Okay, and then I'm going to fillet its edges. Okay. Okay, so there's that. And I'm going to finish this sketch. Now, I'm going to do that again. Only this time I'm going to go begin with a plane. I'm going to do offset plane from here. Again, I'm going to go, actually this time I'm going to go 2 inches, just so I have some room to play with right here. And see, so I've got the plane I started on, this first work plane I made and sketched on. Now I've got this next work plane. So I'm going to sketch on this third work plane. Okay, and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to make an ellipse. So let's go in here under my circle and let's make an ellipse. So my ellipse is going to go minor axis here, major axis. Oh, I forgot that's centered out. I need to pay attention to which button I pick. All right, so let's go major axis first, and then we'll do the minor axis. There we go. So he's going to go like that. So I'll finish that sketch. Now, I haven't done this one before. I usually make all mine concentric so they share a center line. But we're going to try this just for spits and giggles. So we're going to go in here. We're going to tell it this is going to be a lofted surface. Well, here's my original surface right here. And then I'm going to use this surface here and then this surface here. And you can see as it builds it in this purple, that is our lofted surface. It's that easy to make. You just have to know, it's like taking whatever it is you're using and cutting it at even increments and knowing what the shape is at those increments, and the computer can interpret the rest. So what I've done here is I've said, okay, at the first inch it's still a rectangle, but it's up and over. At the third inch it's an ellipse, and it's over at this point. Its center point's here. So the computer then takes the original shape and lofts in between it and says, okay, to make all those connect, this is what I have to do. So once I hit OK right here, boom, it turns into a solid surface. Now I'm going to turn these work planes off, so I just go in here under my work plane. Okay, I'm just going to click on him and tell him to be invisible, and same with this one. Turn the visibility off, and there you see what I got. Okay, relatively simple, no big fuss, no muss. You know, they're easy to make. They're great for complex parts. Thanks, bye.